Hello, my name is Tom Stone. I'm president of Environmental Spill Control, LLC, doing business as Spill Control Technology. We produce a full line of safe and easy-to-use spill control products. All of our products have undergone years of research and development and are designed to give you, our customer, the fastest, safest, and most economical method of handling any size and type of spill. Our number one seller, EnviroGuard, has been independently tested and not only meets but exceeds the EPA Toxicity Characteristic Leaching Procedures test. This is commonly called the TCLP test. This test is required by the EPA before I can tell you my product is safe to landfill with all your industrial waste absorbed in it. Any company making claims of landfill-safe products is required to supply you with this TCLP test report. EnviroGuard is non-toxic, non-carcinogenic. It is safe. It is my hope you will become familiar with all our products and enjoy using them. For the sake of brevity, after the introduction of my full product line, this video will focus on our most popular and effective products. The demonstrations you will be witnessing are, well, amazing. You may think you're being deceived. I assure you, there are no tricks or gimmicks involved. What you will be witnessing is real. The results you will achieve using EnviroGuard will be the same as those you are about to witness. Now, it is with great pride and pleasure I introduce you to the environmentally safe and friendly product line from Environmental Spill Control, your innovators for the future. Let's get started with DuraSox, which are available in two sizes. The largest diameter available, 3 1/2 inches by 4 feet and 3 1/2 inches by 10 feet. DuraSox are filled with EnviroGuard, the safest, most absorbent product on earth. These socks will outperform any other sock by far. Our DuraPads are available in packs of 100 and 150-foot rolls. You may choose between the white, petroleum only, and charcoal, universal, which absorbs anything wet. Our drum top pads come 25 to the package and with a pre-cut slot for spouts. In various states, including North Carolina, OSHA requires a drum top pad on all drums which are setting open or have a spout. The Spill Control Center includes one 24-inch shop broom, one heavy-duty dustpan and dust brush with sifter, 6 DuraPads, one 10-foot or 2 4-foot DuraSocks, 2 pairs of latex gloves, 4 3-mil garbage bags, and one 1.5 cubic foot bag of EnviroGuard. Our recycle center is much simpler. It consists of the 45-gallon can you see, the sifter, the broom, dustpan, and dust brush. For some companies, it is all that is needed. Please refer to our catalog for additional customizing accessories. Next, say hello to SureStep. SureStep is available in 2 sizes, our convenient 4/10 cubic foot 6-mil bag and our larger 1.5 cubic foot 6-mil bag. SureStep contains no harsh chemicals of any kind. SureStep gives 100% safe and positive traction on any hard-packed snow or icy surface. You cannot slip or slide on SureStep. SureStep also makes a great soil conditioner. When the ice is gone, simply sweep up the used SureStep and deposit it on your lawn or garden. Do something good for the environment this winter. Use SureStep. It gives me great pleasure to introduce our next product, EnviroGuard, Guardian of the Environment, the most amazing product you will ever have the pleasure of using. EnviroGuard is a special blend of inert, inorganic, non-biodegradable minerals. It has been tested and not only meets but exceeds all EPA requirements for safe landfilling of all your liquid and semi-liquid industrial waste. EnviroGuard is safe. It is non-toxic and non-carcinogenic. It is harmless to humans, animals, and plants. EnviroGuard is an all-purpose, fast-drying, encapsulating absorbent. The one product with 1,000 uses. Your imagination is your only limitation. EnviroGuard comes in 2 sizes. Our small 4/10 of a cubic foot bag, which is resealable, and our larger 1.5 cubic foot bag. Both are 6 mil tough poly bag. Our 1.5 cubic foot bag can absorb 2 1/2 gallons of any liquid or semi-liquid substance known to mankind. It weighs from 20 to 30 pounds and performs well in windy conditions. EnviroGuard is super fast. Anyone can clean up 32 ounces of any liquid from any hard surface in only 90 seconds. When finished, the surface will be 100% dry and clean. You do not need to mop behind EnviroGuard. EnviroGuard has so many other uses. When used immediately, it works well for removing various liquids such as pet urine and paints from carpet. EnviroGuard is approved for use around food products by the USDA. EnviroGuard can be used as a suppressant on fuels and solvents to prevent fires. It has no BTU value, therefore can also be used to extinguish fires. In order to give you an idea of what EnviroGuard can do for you, I'm going to clean up some common fluids found in any shop or warehouse. Anyone can achieve the same results on any hard surfaced floor. When using EnviroGuard on a sealed surface, the finished results will be a clean and dry floor, leaving absolutely no sign there was ever a spill. However, when used on an unsealed surface, although the spill has been totally absorbed and the surface is clean, there will be a visible spot where the fluid soaked into the cracks and crevices. Let's get started. For my first demonstration, I'm going to clean up 3 common industrial fluids: used motor oil, transmission fluid, and brake fluid. I will clean up all 3 using the same mound of EnviroGuard. One of the largest concerns companies have always faced is waste. Some employees are of the opinion that if a little bit is good, then a lot must be better. To demonstrate the value of EnviroGuard and our recycle center, I'm going to use twice as much powder as is needed. Next, using the proper broom is very important. I recommend a 24-inch rough surface push broom. This broom has Palmyra bristles, which works very well. The proper method for using your broom is very important. You want to pat the powder into the spill if it's a puddle. This gets the encapsulation process started. Then, working in a circular pattern instead of back and forth, this mixes the oil and the powder together. Also makes for total encapsulation. And voila, we are finished. Large clumps should be broken down into smaller clumps in order to totally encapsulate the fluids. The surface is clean and dry. You cannot slip or slide on EnviroGuard. To address the issue of waste, I have developed our Recycle Center, which guarantees you get the maximum value from EnviroGuard. Our Recycle Center is a 45-gallon container on wheels, which includes the proper broom, sifter, dust pan, and dust brush. When using our recycle center, your waste is kept to a bare minimum. In addition to waste being bad, time is valuable. Less time spent cleaning up means more time producing results. Watch what happens to the contents in my sifter in only a few seconds. When finished, this small amount is what I will now legally dispose of in my trash can. Always give your sifter a pat on the bottom to clear any debris. A clean sifter means the next basket full of powder will be easy sifting. Over the years, automotive technicians have stressed antifreeze is the worst cleanup a tech faces. Antifreeze has three properties which create problems. It does not evaporate, which means it hangs around the floor even after mopping. It is slippery, which can cause injury. It has a very thin viscosity, which means it runs very easily. The first thing to notice is how EnviroGuard immediately starts wicking the antifreeze. And you can see that on the edges here. Even on a slope, EnviroGuard will not let the antifreeze pass through. Now for some magic. This trick involves a highly skilled hand. If you're right-handed, you have to do it left-handed, and vice versa. I'm right-handed, therefore, watch as I slowly sweep this dam of EnviroGuard into the antifreeze. And voila, like magic, the antifreeze is dried up. This floor is totally dry and clean. You do not need to mop behind EnviroGuard. Do not sift the mixture of antifreeze and this powder. Simply pick up the mixture and deposit in a flat, open box. Antifreeze is mostly water, which evaporates from EnviroGuard. Occasionally, rake through the mixture, exposing the bottom layer to the air. Using this method, one can use this EnviroGuard over and over repeatedly. I've saved the best for last. I'm going to clean up a combination of brown latex and blue oil-based enamel paint. Paint is one of the most difficult spills to clean up. It is made to spread and cover. I will use 3 to 4 times more EnviroGuard on paint than any other spill. This will keep the paint confined and my push broom will stay clean. The process is the same as before. Cover the spill, pat the powder into the spill, then slowly start stirring the powder into the paint. Continuously pull fresh powder into the paint. Again, this will keep the broom clean. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an old 86-year-old floor, which is unfinished. Therefore, we do have a slight blue stain here from the oil-based paint. However, the latex is completely gone. Had this been a sealed surface, there would be no sign the oil paint or the latex paint ever hit the floor. It would be totally, totally gone. I'll bet you didn't think I could sift anything out of absorbed paint. The process is the same as before. 5 to 15 seconds of sifting. Everything in this container is reusable. Everything in here, all that's in here, this small amount, is what we will now legally dispose of in our trash can. Once again, as before, when finished, give your sifter a pat on the bottom. This clears any debris and allows for easy sifting on the next application. I'm still impressed with these demonstrations. Every time I demonstrate what EnviroGuard can do for people, it reinforces my belief in the product. I would like to thank you for taking the time to watch and listen. If you would like to know more about EnviroGuard or any of our environmentally friendly spill control products, please go to our website, www.spillcontroltech.net, www.spillcontroltech.net, or email us at SCTI, that is Spill Control Technology International, scti.llc@gmail.com. And you can call us at one of the following phone numbers. Our office, 704-721-0682. My cell phone, I'll be glad to talk to you in person, 704-564-1421. This is Tom Stone saying, if we work together, you and I, we can save our environment. Thanks for viewing this video. Have a great day.